So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this. And then on your browser, you want to sign in into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And then at the home page, you want to click on the shop icon at the top right of your screen. And then you want to click on all right here. Then you want to scroll down and search for PokerGo channel. Right here on PokerGo, you want to click on it one time. And then you want to add this PokerGo to your YouTube TV membership with 20 bucks per month and 7-day free trial. So just click on next. And then you want to complete your purchase with the PokerGo using your credit or debit card or even your PayPal. So just click on start membership. And then after you buy the package of PokerGo, you can just click right here on the search icon at the top right of your screen. And then you can just search for poker. And then on the PokerGo with this network sign, you want to click on it. And then you can scroll down and watch the World Series Poker, High Stakes Poker, and so on. And if you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch the PokerGo on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.